Howdy, it's Kid here, just doing another architecture review video. This time talking through a little bit about how Onlook works with making changes and writing them directly to code, just a high-level architecture review. So I have here the Onlook editor. The functionality I'm talking about is how when we are making these kind of edits, with the style into code, into an element, we're actually writing all those changes into code in real time. So if you see here, I'm opening this div in code right there that's saying hi. If I change that to saying bye-bye, for example, you'll see that it's updated in code. And actually, if I have this open in any browser window, it would also update. So to re-illustrate the point with something a little bit more visible, say if I make that change, it's actually updating the code, which in turn is updating the actual website. And so how that is really working is it's in 3 steps. It's pretty straightforward, actually. We have our editor, which is this right here, the app. And within the editor, we have a DOM, or in kind of layman's terms, it's a browser window. And it's a browser window we can control. And so when I am making any real-time edits like this, it's actually only editing our version of the DOM. And so it's manipulating this element right here. And then it's not writing to code yet until I commit the change, which is what just happened there. And when we commit the change, the editor is detecting that, hey, there's a good stopping point, and actually taking that change that it's made in the DOM, and it's finding it in code, and then it writes to the code base. So yeah, when it writes to the code base, obviously the code base then is hot reloading and updating, and that updates the DOM once again. And so that is why all the changes stick and happens in other browsers as well. And that's kind of the long and short of it. I won't jump into what the code base looks like. Obviously, there are a lot more that's happening, such as resolving all the changes, and when we are inserting something, how it's detecting where the insertion goes and figure out where to put it. That also happens within the editor, and resolving the DOM and then finding all of that and writing it in code. That's about it. That's all I have for today. Hopefully that's somewhat interesting, and you can see there it says bye-bye, and there's the div I made. Cool. See ya.